imagine the impossible. An event so catastrophic that it could wipe life from Earth or even rewrite the laws of the universe. Sounds like fiction. Science says no. Hey, cosmic explorers, the universe is a stage of beauty and mystery, but also of unimaginable forces. Today, we are going to uncover the grandest and most terrifying events that can impact not only our small Earth, but the very fabric of reality. You're going to discover the stories behind the catastrophes that have already happened, the ones that threaten us, and the ultimate end of the cosmos itself. Stay until the end for a journey that will expand your mind and maybe your fear. And go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. That helps the channel grow a lot. Cosmic threats to Earth, the invisible attack from space. Our story of threats begins right here in our cosmic backyard. Since the formation of the solar system, billions of rocks and ice balls, asteroids and comets fly around. Most are harmless, but some, our celestial neighbors like the Moon, are full of scars that tell the story of constant impacts. Here on Earth, nature erases most of the evidence, but some are impossible to ignore. Like the Chicxulub crater in Mexico, the site of the impact that, 66 million years ago, forever changed life on the planet, dramatically ending the dinosaurs. But we don't need to go back that far. In 1908, Siberia felt the force of an aerial event in Tunguska that devastated an area the size of London. And, more recently, in 2013, the Chelyabinsk meteor in Russia served as a vivid reminder. These threats are real, and they are out there. Fortunately, science is keeping an eye on it. Agencies like NASA constantly monitor these near-Earth objects in a kind of space guard for our planet. The fury of our sun, but the threat doesn't always come from afar. Our own sun, the star that gives us life, also has a violent side. It is a gigantic power plant with magnetic fields that twist and tangle, releasing colossal explosions. These explosions, called solar flares and coronal mass ejections, or CMEs, launch radiation and particles into space. The Carrington event of 1859 was the largest ever recorded, causing auroras visible in the tropics and setting telegraph stations on fire. Today, if an event of that magnitude hit Earth, we could have widespread blackouts, damaged satellites, and communication chaos. Our satellites observe the sun 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, trying to predict when our star will have its next cosmic sneeze. The spectacular end of stars now. Prepare yourselves for the most powerful explosions in the universe, supernovas. They are the final screams of giant stars that, upon dying, release more energy than the sun will emit in its entire life. And even more intense are gamma-ray bursts, or GRBs, jets of energy that can emit in seconds what the sun would take 10 billion years. If a supernova or a GRB happened too close to us, the radiation could destroy Earth's ozone layer, exposing us to lethal levels of UV radiation. The good news is that we don't have any stellar neighbors that are going to explode at any moment in a threatening way. Stars like Betelgeuse, although supernova candidates, are at a safe distance more than 600 light-years away. The ultimate fate of the universe, okay? We've seen what can hit us. But what about the universe itself? What is its ultimate fate? Throughout history, scientists and thinkers have imagined various ends for the cosmos. Let's explore the most intriguing ones. The Big Freeze. The icy death. This is the most accepted scenario today, and it's frighteningly silent. The Big Freeze, or thermal death. Since we discovered that the universe's expansion is accelerating. Yes, not decelerating, but accelerating. Driven by mysterious dark energy, we understand that the universe will continue to expand and cool forever. Galaxies will move away from each other, stars will burn their fuel and die, and even black holes, one day, will evaporate. The universe will become a cold, dark, and empty place in a state of total stillness. The Big Rip, the Great Tear. But what if dark energy became so powerful that it overcame all other forces? This is the apocalyptic scenario of the Big Rip or Great Tear. In this extreme future, the expansion would be so violent that not only galaxies would be torn apart, but also solar systems, planets, and even atoms and subatomic particles would be disintegrated. Fortunately, there is no evidence that dark energy is so malicious. But it is an intriguing possibility that makes us question the limits of reality. The Big Crunch. The Great Collapse for a long time. The favorite was the Big Crunch, or Great Collapse. The idea was simple. If there was enough matter in the universe, gravity would eventually overcome expansion, causing everything to stop and begin to contract. The universe would shrink, become super hot, and everything would be crushed into a singular point, perhaps to be reborn in a new Big Bang. The Big Bounce? But the discovery of accelerated expansion basically retired this theory. It seems that our universe does not have enough matter to pull itself back. Vacuum decay. The false vacuum. Lastly, the most speculative, and perhaps the most terrifying, vacuum decay. The theory is that our universe may be in a false vacuum, a state that is not the most stable. If a bubble of true vacuum were to form somewhere, it would expand at the speed of light, converting everything in its path. The laws of physics would be rewritten instantly inside this bubble, annihilating everything as we know it. There is no way to predict or stop it. It is a cosmic game over, where reality itself unravels. Scary, right? From the impact of an asteroid that changed Earth's history, passing through the fury of our sun, to the ultimate fate of the cosmos itself. The universe is a place of unparalleled drama and grandeur. Although these catastrophes remind us of our insignificance, they also reveal the incredible resilience of life and humanity as constant search to understand the mysteries of the cosmos. Each threat, each ultimate scenario, is a piece in the grand tapestry of the universe. Which of these cosmic catastrophes left you most thoughtful? Which one seems most likely or most terrifying to you? Leave your comments and theories below. And if you enjoyed this journey through the dangers of the universe, don't forget to leave that like, share with friends, and subscribe to the channel for more cosmic explorations. See you in the next video.